careers are chosen, but some careers choose you. Some people dream of fame, some dream of wealth, but I dream of something far greater. I dream of wearing the uniform of my nation. Esteemed judges and my dear friends, I stand before you today not to speak of a profession, but a passion, not to declare an ambition, but a mission that lights up my soul. I want to join the defense forces. Why do I want to wear the uniform? Because to me, the armed forces are not just a profession, they are a life of honor, sacrifice, and service. Since childhood, I have admired those who wear the olive greens, the whites, and the blues. These men and women do not just guard borders, they guard our freedom, our future. When we all sleep peacefully at night, they stand awake at different years. When we celebrate festivals with our families, they patrol the snow-clad mountains of Siachen or sail across stormy seas. That selflessness inspires me to dedicate my lives in the same way. To me, wearing the uniform is not about power or prestige. It is about living by the motto, service before self. I dream of the courage of Captain Vikram Batra, who said during Kargil, either I will come back after hoisting the tricolor, or I will come back wrapped in it. But I will come back for sure. He did return back wrapped in the tricolor. But he gave us a victory that will be remembered for eternity. I dream of the leadership of Major Sandeep Unikrishna, who during the 26/11 attacks in Mumbai told his men, "Do not come up, I will handle them." He fought till his last breath to protect the civilians. These men and women were not born extraordinary. They became extraordinary because they chose to live for something larger than themselves. That is the path I wish to walk. I take my inspiration from Uri surgical strike of 2016, where our brave commandos crossed the line of control and struck terror at its very roots. And Operation Sindoor, under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, which was not just a mission, but a message that India will protect her sovereignty at any cost. I want to be a brave soldier of this new India. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam rightly said, a dream is not what you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. My dream of serving in the defense forces never lets me rest. The fearless spirit is the spirit I wish to carry in my veins. Swami Vivekanand inspired us with his words, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached." My goal is clear, to serve my motherland with pride. Friends, to wear the uniform is not to seek medals, power, or luxury. It is to seek purpose, respect, and honor. It is to live a life where every heartbeat echoes Bharat Mata Ki Jai. When I imagine my future, I do not see a life of comfort. I see a life of meaning. I do not imagine applause. I imagine respect. I do not think what I can take from my nation. I think what I can give to my nation. So friends, when I say that I want to join the defense forces, I am not choosing a career. I am choosing a duty, a responsibility, and a sacred bond with my motherland, India. And if the day ever comes when my country asks for the ultimate sacrifice, I shall go forward with pride, knowing that there is no greater honor than to lay down one's life for his motherland. That, my dear friends, is why I want to join the defense forces. Jai Hind!